If you have a GTR and you don't have clear side markers, these are the parts for you because they just look so much better. Inside these boxes, there's a very small, very easy to install part. And I've even done a video that's right there that you can check out showing you how to install these. This is them. What's up guys, this is Chris and I'm back with another video at FlyRyde teaching you the what, how, and why of custom automotive lighting. And we are gonna tear these things in half. We're gonna break them right now. And I'm gonna show you how to do that in a way that you can put them back together and modify them looking sick so that you can upgrade your GTR. When these come out of the box, they have a little amber bulb inside. It's not super pretty. The LED bulbs that we replaced that amber bulb with are so good, but sometimes we have guys that just really want something unique, something that stands out, something nobody else has, and that's why we have our stage 2 build. And I'm gonna show you how I do it right now. We are gonna use the ultrasonic cutter. This is not the best unit in the world. It's about 400 bucks and it's made for modifying little model projects like Gundam figures and the car model kits. Yeah, anyway, it's not this industrial work of wonder, but it does the job on little things. So I'm gonna show you how I use it just to chop open these side markers. The idea here is that these are ultrasonic welded, so we're gonna ultrasonic cut them. What looks like glue, it's really just the melted plastic from when these two things were bonded together. So we're gonna go right at that little spot right here, and we are gonna cut it with the ultrasonic, and then we're just gonna use a flathead screwdriver and just put it in, twist it, and we're gonna pop all of the ultrasonic weld sections all the way around. It sounds gnarly, it's actually really quick work. That's it.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry. Still not.
This is gonna be a little sneak peek of something else I'm gonna show you how to do. And this is to strip the chrome coating off of anything. But in this case, it's just a tiny little bit. It's not gonna be super impressive, but it'll get the job done. And you'll get a sneak peek of one of the new videos coming up. If you've ever seen the movie Who Framed Roger Rabbit, this is the dip. It's pretty gnarly.
Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need that.
This is a projector shroud. I'm gonna dip it in there and we'll see what happens.
Black eyes. With the black eyes.
If you get anything out of this, hit that like button, show us some love, subscribe so you don't miss anything, and hit that bell notification icon so you don't miss any of the new uploads. I opened up the lights. I painted the inside right here black. So what you're gonna get is this completely different look on the GTR, especially on a black car. This looks super good. Clear ones, they just look like a white marker on the side of the car. Plan is to take this black piece, we opened up, we stripped it, painted it, and now I need to put this LED strip in there. I'm gonna have to mark this black piece, lay this guy on there. I'm gonna drill out the holes to run the wires. Also gonna have to modify this front little corner right here. I'm just gonna cut it really quick with the ultrasonic cutter. Like I've said in other videos, it's not the best tool for cutting open headlights. For little parts like this, trimming plastic, it beats the pants off of using something like a Dremel or something that makes a mess. Got this thing all made up. It's got the wire coming out the back, heat shrink on there, super easy to just plug this thing in, this little driver. It'll just have this little end piece hanging out, so you can plug it in, and then it's all good to go with the turn signal and the running light. Now we have to seal them back shut. I used the ultrasonic cutter to start, then I pried them. It snapped open all in a perfect line. So I'm gonna go back over that whole line and I'm gonna throw a very intense adhesive on there that bonds to this acrylic, and then we're all finished up. I'm sure this is bad stuff, so check it out. I have zero clue if you can buy this online. I'll look at it, but it does say that it bonds polycarbonate, styrene, butyrate, and other plastics. It just says acrylics. That's all I care about. It's mostly acrylic. But all I'm gonna do is run one bead all the way around the whole light, and I'm gonna start with the top, and this stuff works fast. This is the finished product here, and all along this edge, this has 2 paths of that sealant on it. That is ready to be mounted to a car. I love this part, but I'm not gonna be making it anymore. So you're gonna have to make it. You, the guy that's watching this, that wants my GTR customers, you make it. I just showed you how. Steal the business, go make it happen. So now you know my secret. It's my dirty little secret that only I know how to do, but actually now you know how to do. It's not rocket science. You can use this to make all sorts of really cool products. So I hope you're learning something, because this is crazy stuff. I love putting these videos together. I'm doing it just for you so that you can learn. And if you need to get more info, we've got the Academy for that.